What if we saw aging differently? Our body's most important structural protein, the glue that holds our bodies together, is collagen. Collagen is the strength behind our joints, muscles, skin, and hair. But starting in our 20s, our body slows down collagen production. As we age, we lose about 1% of collagen each year. Less collagen means less strength in our joints, muscles, skin, and hair. And the effects add up. What if we can stop or even reverse collagen loss? This is why we've created ICARIA Glow Advanced Collagen to help individuals everywhere live stronger, beautiful lives, no matter their age. ICARIA Glow is a natural way to take control of your beauty, keeping both the inside and outside of your body healthy and renewed. By drinking 1 ounce each night, you're healing and protecting your body to restore your natural and beautiful glow. People everywhere are renewing their strength and taking control of their beauty with ICARIA Glow. Aging isn't a number of years or lines on a face. It's an opportunity every day to experience a full, happy life. This is ICARIA Glow Advanced Collagen from Trinant Health.
Let's talk about our plant-based enzyme product, Life. In here, there are so many critical elements to digestion that we miss out on when it comes to eating cooked and processed foods. I'm going to walk you through a demonstration of what happens internally when we eat cooked or processed foods. Plant enzymes are critical to alleviating stress on the body, especially the pancreas, because you constantly have to secrete enzymes in order to digest food. When you cook something at over 118 degrees, it becomes void of enzymes, forcing our bodies to labor significantly more to extract the nutrients from our food. Take this, for example. When you munch on a raw apple or broccoli, the enzymes remain present. The reason an apple browns so quickly after you bite into them is due to the enzymes being activated and the air hitting the apple, telling the apple that it needs to be digested into nature. The earth pulls those active nutrients to decompose it. Those enzymes do the same thing inside of you. Break down your apple at a rapid pace to pull from all of its many nutrients in the simplest and most compatible form. Think of it like this. Life gives life to the body. Foods that are dead tax the body, pulling the resources away from it, leading to degenerative disease or other ailments. And those cause you to age much faster than normal. We use veggie capsules to hold our plant enzymes, complemented with a maintenance supply of stabilized probiotics. It effectively turns the proteins into amino acids, the fats into fatty acids, and carbohydrates into simple glucose, turning it into the most usable form for the body. Our stomachs break down food in the same form. It does this to distribute the nutrients to your body, instead of sitting in your gut as undigested matter or in your blood, constantly taxing your digestive system. Simply said, the food you consume must be properly broken down and used. And since it's nearly impossible to avoid cooked and processed foods in present day, Life helps your body break down those blockades so you can assimilate and utilize all the nutrients from your food, giving you the benefits of extracting the nutrients from the foods you are eating. Finally, a solution less taxing to your body long term. The plant form that we use allows the enzymes to work in a broad pH range and are entirely different from the animal enzymes you would typically consume from the pancreas of animals. We use several types of plant enzymes together in the capsule to digest even a Thanksgiving meal. True energy comes from our food, so getting the most out of your diet is the safest choice. The goal is to fully process your food. It really is that simple. The Vibe supplement is a true harbinger of natural energy. There is an epidemic. We are relying too heavily on stimulant energy to push us forward through the day. Stimulant energy is the turning of coffees, excess sugars, and energy drinks into energy, which in excess rains distress upon our adrenal glands. Stimulant energy poses a threat to your hormonal system. And as science has made clear, your body soon depends on these sources for firepower, pushing you to consume excess amounts, making now the time to opt for natural energy. Natural energy is the purest way to propel yourself. Vibe works on a cellular level, catering nutrients and creating energy for individual cells, rather than fatiguing your adrenal glands. A mixture of B vitamins and recommended herbs, these natural remedies cut the jitters out of stimulant energy solutions, giving you the utmost control and regulation as you move through your day. Unlike their stimulant counterparts, Vibe offer complete mental clarity and push you into better, more controlled workouts, foregoing any chance of an energy crash. It is recommended to take them with your meals since it offers a potential niacin flush, the warming of the skin due to dilated blood vessels, forcing blood closer to the skin surface, which is healthful. Vibe into the future of absolute wellness with a vitamin that provides the best for your true self. Balance is a multi-mineral blend that covers your whole food vitamin and is packed with antioxidants. Many of the Earth's vitamins and minerals have been stripped by our modern farming and genetic modification practices. Even a well-balanced meal is no match for the lack of vitamins in today's foods. And science has confirmed that combating disease truly requires a multivitamin and additional mineral. Balance offers several essential components that will restore proper wellness, including the true whole food vitamin C, a multi-mineral blend with the amino acid glycine, and a blend of antioxidants, which work in unison to cancel out the dangerous toxins we ingest daily. Consuming the Balance plus Life in harmony will help aid digestion and break down foods, while continuing to add essential vitamins and nutrients to your day. Find balance in your life by engaging in full wellness with our tried and true multi-mineral blend, Balance.
Life happens quickly. Don't miss a moment. Introducing Restore, Healing, and Recovery from Trinont Health. Designed to help you get back in the game quicker than ever. Formulated with powerful proteolytic enzymes, Restore protects against illness, aids in quick workout recovery, and promotes faster injury healing, so you never miss a moment. After an injury, Restore helps remove debris and resolve inflammation sooner. Also, your body can heal faster and you can keep on going. This is Restore, Healing, and Recovery from Trinont Health.